right. Okay. Hello and welcome. This is Andrew Crouch again with RMC Sim Labs. I'm going to show you another model that I 3D printed and designed for you guys. This one's our lumbar puncture model. Now the model itself is really small, little compact, very easy to use. It's got a 3D printed spine encased in silicone. On the side you have a marker right here, which is going to be the top of your iliac crest. When you bring it over, there's a canal down the middle that you can fill with water. If it's not perfectly sealed, these will leak a little on the bottom, but that's actually okay. You just put a towel down. So when you're doing a lumbar puncture, there's two important things. First is preparation. The second is positioning. So for positioning, you're going to have either a seated or a lateral recumbent patient. You're going to line up on the spine. On these models, have the iliac crest there on purpose so that when you put your finger on the top of it and take your thumb over, you're right at the tip of the L4 vertebrae spinous process, so you can know to go to the space below or the space above. Okay, so we'll have our patient seated for this particular version in the seated position. We're gonna feel our landmarks. Bam, feel. We have our hand right on L4, so we know L4, L5, L3, L4. Why don't we do L3, L4 this time? Now, in real life, you're going to set up your lidocaine. You're going to set up your tube, 4 tubes with the tops unscrewed so that you're ready to go and ready to collect, and you'll have your needle ready to go. This is a smaller gauge needle, so it's going to drip fairly slowly. Right before we start, because there's a little bit of leakage, but you're going to add just a little bit of water to the top of the model. Once it fills up to the top, it'll slowly start oozing out the bottom until I put a sealer on it, or when you print your own. So you feel L4, L3, L4, L4, L5. Like I said, we're going to do L3, L4 because that one's a little easier. Bevel to the side, so the bevel's like a knife, cuts in this way. You don't want to cut long ways and risk causing more damage as you go in. So you feel, go in. Now as you go, I have a little bit of a ligament in there, so it gives you a little resistance. As soon as you pop into the canal, pop, there we go. You feel a little pop and there's no more resistance. And there should be fluid coming out. And as you can see, right here, we have a slow drainage of crystal clear CSF. Collect it, don't lose that. Because like I say, this will probably be the most champagne tap you'll ever get. There's cells in this. I did something very wrong. Okay. Once you've collected 1 to 2 cc's in each vial, you're going to go ahead and place your stylet back in. So nice. Get that going right here. Go ahead and place your stylet back in. So I don't traditionally do it this way because you might poke yourself. I'll grab it this way to get it in. And then once it's in, you can grab. Close. Now take your needle and gently slide out. You'll take a Band-Aid, put it on, put a little bit of pressure and have your patient lay down. So in this case, this guy doesn't need to lay down, but there you go. This is our lumbar puncture model. This is the first draft. We're going to try and do a new sim case every month, so I look forward to seeing you guys again.